nothing too serious today, but I just want to show you guys as an entrepreneur that you should be at your business before it starts, okay? That way, if you got anything you need to do, anything you need to straighten up before you start the day, you need to make sure that you gotta get it going. So I gotta get my hot towel warmer going, gotta make sure my towels are ready to go, and I'm just tidying up my clippers and things like that just to make sure that I'm ready for the first client, all right? So just come along with me, and we're gonna get to it. So let's talk about it. So you just opened up your business and you're excited. First thing you want to do is just make sure that you cover all your things you need to be doing before you actually open. So make you a checklist. Sometime I'll sit down at night and I'll go through my notes and see what all I got to do at the shop. I pretty much got it down packed right now. But for anybody that's new, is just trying to open up a shop or a business, any business, make sure that you be there before you're supposed to open, because you don't ever know what can catch you off guard. So just try to, think about the things that you need to get done, prepared. Like for me, the hot towel warmer is like pretty much really important for me, so I have to have my towels and stuff ready to go. As you can see, like on this video, like I'm shampooing the hair, I'm making sure I'm keeping it clean, and just understanding like the flow of the day, and that's just kind of how I always try to think about what all I gotta do so it can go smooth for me. So just understand, just be prepared. I mean, this video is not gonna be too extreme as far as the in-depth of every little detail, but I just kind of wanted you guys to see how I move as far as like making sure that I'm on time. The client is getting ready to get out the chair, the next one's getting ready to walk in. So just making sure you take out the time to clean, make sure you take out the time to wipe down. And the clients like to see that. They like to see that you cleaning and making sure you're taking care of your stuff. I usually try to have my towels ready when I first come in the morning. Most of the time, my towels are already ready, so I'll just like redo them before I leave at the end of the workday. But only for video purposes. I'm just kind of showing you just in case, because we're not perfect, right? So sometimes we might have to go, we might have a meeting to get to, so we might have time to really do that stuff. So just show up early. Try not to show up too late. So by the time that first client get here and you finish with the haircut, them towels will be piping hot. So especially for the type of services that I provide, so I need my hot towels. Beard washes and facials and things like that. It's really important. Every single haircut. Every one. Change gloves and then get my next client. See how I'm next. So keep that in mind. That's a quick tip for me today. So like I said, you'll see on this video, I'm sweeping up, I'm cleaning, I'm shampooing, and I'm just making sure that my stations, everything's good, cleaning my clippers, I'm cleaning my my guards, making sure I disinfect it and spraying down and wiping down everything is really important. And it shows to your clients that you're serious about what you do. It makes them feel even more comfortable to come to you. So highlight those things, take advantage of it, and you should be good to go. I would just want to encourage anybody that's starting a business. I know it's scary. I've been there, and it's a great feeling, but it's scary at the same time. So just bet on yourself, and you'll never fail. You know what I mean? There's no such thing as failure. The only real failure is that you just not trying at all. That's the real ultimate failure. But once you giving that 100% effort every time, open that business, man. Open up that shop, open up that bakery, open up whatever business. I don't care what it is. Be an entrepreneur, be a boss, but you remember you gotta act like a boss. You know what I'm saying? Don't act like, you know what I mean, you're not ready for this. Don't be scared. Dive right into it. And that's my quick tip of the day. Now the plane wanna come through. Now. But get down, do your thing, keep grinding. Hey, make sure y'all hit the link in that bio, hit the subscription button, subscribe to my channel, man. Hey, I got some cool stuff coming. And like I said, I appreciate y'all. And on the next one, I'm out. Peace.